Your vehicle is designed to make everyday driving comfortable while maintaining safe handling in demanding conditions and emergency maneuvers. Shocks and struts do more than just handle bumps and potholes. Your ability to stop, accelerate, and steer are tied directly to the condition of your shocks and struts. They affect your confidence in knowing that your vehicle will perform the way it was designed to when you need it to. Your shocks and struts have two main functions. First is tire control. They keep your tires on the road as much as possible. Steering, stopping, and accelerating are degraded when tires bounce excessively, losing contact with the road due to worn shocks and struts. Second, shocks and struts control vehicle body motions. They keep the body from being thrown around in turns, pitching forward in hard stops, and falling back under hard acceleration. When there is excessive body motion, steering is not as precise, stopping distances increase, and acceleration is less confident. Because they wear so gradually, it's hard to tell when your shocks and struts are worn. A road test with hard acceleration, a hard stop, and a swerving maneuver will reveal excessive body motion and bounce. By the time you've driven 50,000 miles or 80,000 kilometers, your shocks and struts will have bounced up and down 75 million times. Studies have shown that this is enough to notably degrade your vehicle's design performance. In short, your vehicle's ride, comfort, and handling are no longer what they were when new. If you want to restore your vehicle's design performance, you may want to replace your shocks and struts after 50,000 miles, 80,000 kilometers. And if you demand more of your vehicle than it was designed for, better handling, greater towing or hauling capacity, oversized wheels and tires, modified suspension, etc., then ask your service advisor about appropriate shock or strut upgrades.